Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change commentary language in eFootball. If you want to hear your favorite commentator or understand the commentary better in your own language, then first of all open up the eFootball application and from the home page tap on the extras button at the top right. Inside extras, tap on game settings. Inside game settings, tap on download data and then click on commentary language. From the commentary language option, go ahead and see a list of available commentary languages and highlight and select your preferred language. After you do that, you will need to download the commentary language data. Tap on download and wait for the download to complete. You will need to connect your device with internet so that the download will be completed smoothly. Once the download is done, you can then get back. Now you have successfully changed your commentary language in eFootball. You can play a match and enjoy the commentary in your selected language. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.